Hello students, in this session we will see two modes in Apache Pig, means interactive mode and batch mode. Okay, so basically interactive mode, it means executing Pig Latin commands directly on the grunt shell. Yes, so that is interactive mode. And batch mode, it means creating a batch of commands in pig file with the help of pig Latin script. Yes, and executing that whole batch of a command means executing that pig script. That is nothing but batch mode. Okay, so we will see how to execute commands in both the modes, in interactive mode and in batch mode. Okay, so first of all we will see interactive mode of Apache Pig. In previous lecture we have already discussed about what is a local mode and what is MapReduce mode. Yes, and currently we are working in local mode. Okay, so see, I have created this employee file, okay, this employee data set you can see here. Yes, and our task is printing or displaying top 3 employees having highest salary. Okay, so we'll execute required commands one by one. Okay, so first of all we should load this employee data set in Apache Pig. Okay, so first of all we will execute load command, okay, to load this data set in Apache Pig. Okay, so load this employee.txt using pig storage as, and here we will fetch all the fields. Okay, ID, then second field is name, next is age, then city, okay. So this is how we have loaded. Just once check it that is this data set loaded successfully or not. Okay, so just dump it. Yes, we have loaded this data set successfully. Okay, with the help of EMP identity, with the help of load command we have loaded this data set in EMP identifier. Okay, now the next step is we have to sort this data, okay, based on salary field. Okay, so we will use order by command, okay, or this order by command for sorting the data set. Okay, so I will use identifier as sort by salary. Okay, as we are sorting this data set based on a salary. Okay, use order by clause. Order, okay, which identifier we have to order here? That is EMP. Okay, because we have loaded data set in EMP. Okay, so order EMP by which field? By salary field. Okay, that is sal. The identifier for salary field is sal. Okay, and the order we want to sort is descending order. Okay, highest salary to lowest salary. So the order will be DESC, that is descending. Yes. Okay, so just check it. What is there in this sort by sal identifier? Okay, we have to use dump command. Dump sort by sal. Okay, sorry. Okay, so see here, you can see all the records. Okay, they have sorted, and the key for sorting is salary. Okay, so all the records are sorted by means from highest salary to lowest salary. Okay, now we have to print top 3 records. Okay, and the command is limit. Yes, so we will save those top 3 records in top 3 identifier. Okay, and the command is limit okay, so command is limit. We have stored that data in sort by sal. Okay, so limit sort by sal. Okay, and we want to fetch top 3, so the 3 number. Okay, number 3 we will use. Yes, now just check what is there in top 3. So just dump it, you will get desired result. Okay, so these are what? See, these are 3 employees, okay, having highest salary. Okay, these are top 3 employees having highest salary. So we have completed this application. Okay, this small application in interactive mode. Okay, so the same thing we can do in batch mode. Okay, so for this we have to write pig Latin script. Okay, so for that I have already written that script, so you can write this script in notepad plus plus. Okay, just wait, I will show you. Okay, so see here, I have written all the required commands. Okay, and I have saved this file, okay, with extension .pig, and now this is my pig Latin script. Okay, so what I will do, I will just execute this command with the help of I will execute this pig Latin script with the help of exec command. That's all. Okay, so the name of file is hi underscore sal underscore emp dot pig. Okay, so let's execute exec. Okay, dot slash, just let me check the file name, hi underscore sal underscore emp. hi underscore sal underscore emp dot pig. Okay, and just execute. See, you will get the same result. Okay, and this is nothing but execution in batch mode. Okay, writing a pig Latin script and executing that script. Okay, and that script is having batch of commands. This is nothing but batch mode. Thank you, students.